Hello students. Today we shall do some exercises about describing words. Describing words are called adjectives in grammar. These describing words say something more about nouns or pronouns or naming words. They usually come before the naming words or nouns. Sometimes they come after the naming words also. Now here, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Some options are given in the bracket. We have to select the suitable adjective from the bracket so that the sentence becomes a meaningful one. First, Abdul is an blank man. Now, mark it well. Here is an article an. So, young and old. Abdul is an young man will be incorrect because article an comes before a vowel or vowel sound, old. So Abdul is an old man. Suppose there is article a, then the answer will be Abdul is a young man. So answer is determined by the article. Article comes before a countable noun. But if there is any adjective before the countable noun, the article comes before the adjective. We cannot say Abdul is old and man or a man. That is totally incorrect. So, a noun followed by article is also followed by article plus adjective plus noun. So, an article comes before the adjective of the noun. Second, kind of animal is it? Here, what and who? Who is used for persons only? What is used for other than persons? So, what kind of animal is it will be the correct answer. What kind of animal? Kind, type. Flowers. Flower is a name. Here the letter S is there. So flowers is a plural name, more than one, flowers. So flowers have a sweet smell. This or this. These two letters are demonstrative adjectives. This comes before singular noun. This comes before plural noun. Because here the noun is plural, we cannot say this flowers. But we should say these flowers, this. These flowers have a sweet smell. Sweet is also an adjective. Smell is a noun, naming word. Sweet is an adjective of quality. Monkeys have blank tails, thick and long. What can be correct? Long tails. L-O-N-G, long tails. Monkeys have long tails. Blank is your name. Question. Which and what? How can we ask the name? which is your name or what is your name? Yes, we should ask, what is your name? So what is the correct adjective? Used for before the noun name. Mother is very blank. Blank mother is very blank. Now there are two. Its and my. Kind and cruel. So first blank from this pair, its or my. Its mother is not correct. So my mother is very kind or cruel. Mothers can never be cruel. So kind is the correct adjective. Adjective of quality. K-I-N-D, kind. My mother is very kind. This is the correct sentence. A blank people joined the army. Many and few. A many is not correct. A few people. A few people. Very less. A few is the correct adjective. A few people joined the army. Many people do not join the army. It is a hard job. A banana is blank, but a lemon is blank, sour and sweet. So banana is sweet. But a lemon is sour. In taste. A banana is sweet, but lemon is sour in taste. These are the adjectives of quality. They blank tried hard to win the match. Them or themselves. They themselves tried hard. Reflexive adjective, themselves. Themselves. They themselves. This is the correct adjective. They themselves tried hard to win the match. Next. A blank man has no choice. Rich or poor. Rich man can have many choices. A poor man can have no choice. So here the correct adjective is poor. P-O-O-R. Poor. A poor man has no choice. So far, so good. Now here, let us go through a passage. And you have to underline the adjectives in the passage. Here the passage given to you. Let us once go through the passage. Raghu is a poor man. He has 4 children. All his children are small. Raghu's wife is a hard-working woman. She sells fresh fruits and vegetables in the market. She earns around 50 rupees daily, which is not enough to feed their hungry children. Raghu is a lame man. Lame means the man who cannot walk properly or with broken leg. He has lost his left leg in an accident. He cannot do hard work. He suffers his bad luck. Now, let us go through the passage again, underlining the adjectives we come across. Raghu is a poor man. Man is a noun. Poor is an adjective. Poor man, adjective of quality. The word poor says something more about man. How man? Poor man. He has 4 children. Children is a noun. 4 is a number. How many? 4. So 4 children. 4 is an adjective of number. What is the number of children? 4. Children is a countable noun, plural, singular child, plural children, 4 children. All his children are small. So children is a plural noun, small. Small says something more about children. So small is an adjective of quality. What type of children? Small children. Small stands to describe children. Raghu's wife is a hard-working woman. Now, woman is a noun. What type of woman? Hard-working. The word hard-working describes the type of woman. Woman is a countable noun, name. Hard-working says something more about woman. So hard-working is an adjective. It is the adjective of quality. Hard-working woman. She sells fresh fruits and vegetables in the market. Fruits. Many type of fruits we take plural. Fruit taken together, collective noun. But what type of fruits? Fresh fruits. So the word fresh describes fruit. So it is an adjective. It is an adjective of quality. Quality of the fruits. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh applies to fruits as well as vegetables. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables in the market. She earns around 50 rupees. Rupees is a noun, countable noun. 50 is a number. So 50 is the adjective of number. How many rupees? 50 rupees daily, which is not enough to feed eating their hungry children. Enough. Enough is the adjective of quantity. How much? Not enough. Hungry children. What type of children? Hungry children. Children is a plural noun. Hungry is a describing word. Hungry children. So hungry is an adjective of quality. It describes children. Hungry children. Raghu is a lame man. Man is a noun. What type of man? Lame man. Lame means A man who has lost his leg, cannot walk properly, lame, disabled man. So it is an adjective of quality. Lame man, he has lost his left leg. Which type of leg? Left leg, right? Left. It is also an adjective. In an accident. In an accident, he has lost his left leg. He cannot do hard work. Work is the noun and hard is an adjective. What type of work? Hard work. He suffers his bad luck. Luck is a noun. What type of luck? Bad luck. So bad is an adjective. Thus, dear children, try to practice using adjectives in their various forms. The more you practice, the better your language will become. Thank you and have a nice day.